Mew Mew, the bathroom is dirty. Let's clean it up together, shall we? There are so many flies. Let's get rid of them quickly. Spray toilet cleaner at the toilet. Be sure to clean the stains on the toilet. You are awesome! Here is your reward! Turn off the tap. Be sure to save water. The washstand is a mess. Let's clean it up. It's so slippery. Let's mop the water on the floor. You are awesome. Here is your reward. The bathtub is so dirty. Let's clean it up. Toys should be put away in the basket. The bathtub is dirty. Let's use a brush to clean it. Wow, what a beautiful gift! This is for you. I'm Hank. The study is a mess. Let's clean it up together. Can you sort the wastes in corresponding waste bin? Recyclable item. Household food waste. Vacuum the dust. Please help me repair the damaged table. Apply a layer of wax first. Let's wipe it hard, and the desk will be shinier. The desk looks brand new. It's amazing. You are awesome. Here is your reward. Oh, the curtain fell off. What should I do? Please take off the broken hooks first. Replace with the new pretty hooks. Well done! Let's settle another curtain. Replace with the new pretty hooks. Let's start hanging the curtain. Don't forget the other one. Let's tie the curtains. Wow, the curtains are so pretty now. You are awesome. Here is your reward. Ah, spider web. Can you help me clean it up? The books all fell to the floor. Please put them away by color. Red. Red. Green. Blue. Yellow. Green. Yellow. Blue. You are awesome. Here is your reward. I'm Momo. The bedroom is a mess. Let's clean it up together. The mirror is so dirty. Let's wipe it clean with alcohol. How pretty the jewelries are. Let's put them away in the box. You are awesome. Here is your reward. The table lamp is so dirty. Let's wipe the stains clean first. Spray the lamp with a new pretty color. The lampshade is broken. Let's replace it with a new one. Wow, what a beautiful gift! This is for you. The bed is a mess. Let's tidy it up. The quilt is so big, it needs to be compressed before being put in the closet. Let's tidy the closet up. Skirt, top, pants, socks, socks, underwear, underwear.
You are awesome! Here is your reward!